Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Today is race day and we have 4 races scheduled, all of cars that have been unboxed on this channel. Race 1 is the Datsun 620, the Mazda RX-7, the Track Ripper and the Fiat 500. Let's watch them go. Now let's see that in slow motion. Who won that race? Did you call the winner? Whoa, it's the Fiat 500 by a clear win there. All performed very well, but the Fiat was out in front. Congratulations to the Fiat 500, winner of race 1. Up next, it's race 2. We have Sir Ominous, Synchro, the Rayura LX, and the Bully Goat. Let's watch the race. Gee, did you see who won that? Let's watch it again in slow motion to see who won. Did you see that? Can you see it? It's Sir Ominous, just won that race. Congratulations to Sir Ominous. Race 3 is the Chevelle from the 70s, the 32 Ford, the 24 Hours Treasure Hunt, and the V-Dub pickup. Let's watch this race. That was an easy win to the Chevelle. Let's watch that in slow motion. And there it is, the Chevelle 70s wins that race very easy. All cars performed well in that race. Congratulations to the 70s Chevelle. And the final race, race 4, has Rally Cat, the Mercedes AMG, the Mazda RX-7, and of course, the Pontiac Bonneville. Who will win this race? Let's watch them go. Ooh, that was an easy win to the Rally Cat. Look at it go, you can't even see it. Let's watch it in slow motion from the start. It's quite clear that the Rally Cat was out in head, and look at it jump the tracks there, such a fast car. There it is, just a blur. Congratulations to the winner, Rally Cat. So the final race will have the Fiat 500, Sir Ominous, the 70s Chevelle, and the Rally Cat. So make sure you subscribe so you get to see who is the winner of all these 4 cars. Alright, thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Don't forget, subscribe so you'll see the winner. Thanks everyone.